you ever wished you could upgrade your driving experience with just a single tap? Well, today that dream might be closer than you think. Imagine a tiny, powerful gadget that instantly transforms your car into a wireless wonder, connecting your apps, music, and navigation without the hassle of tangled wires. Stick around, because what you're about to see could change the way you hit the road forever. In this video, we'll explore a sleek, innovative device, one that's simple to set up, yet packed with features to make your rides smoother, smarter, and more connected than ever. Keep watching, and you might just find the upgrade you didn't know you needed. Ready? Let's dive in. Experience a new level of driving safety and clarity with the Hudway Drive. A large but highly capable head-up display, or HUD, designed to enhance driving safety by projecting critical information directly onto a transparent screen. With a 1.8-inch color display offering 17,000 nits of brightness, it ensures clear visibility even in bright sunlight. Powered by a quad-core ARM Cortex, a 7 processor with 2 GB RAM and 8 GB storage, the Hudway Drive connects to your phone via Bluetooth to sync GPS, calls, texts, and media. It also integrates with an OBD2 module to display real-time vehicle data. Setup involves downloading the Hudway Drive app and syncing the device, which takes about 5 minutes. Despite its size occasionally obstructing the road view, the Hudway Drive performs reliably, providing accurate GPS navigation and vehicle data. It offers a premium driving experience by combining diagnostics, navigation, and smartphone integration into one versatile device. Stay connected no matter how far off the grid you go with the weBoost Drive Reach, a powerful cell signal booster for vehicles designed to keep you connected in even the most remote areas. It amplifies calls, texts, and data from multiple devices simultaneously, supporting both 4G LTE and 5G networks. With a magnetic roof antenna and simple, tool-free installation, it ensures reliable communication on any road. Offering up to 50 decibel gain, the Drive Reach significantly improves signal strength, reducing dropped calls, boosting data speeds, and enhancing voice quality. It connects to distant cell towers, making it ideal for rural areas or long road trips, and works with all major US carriers. The device comes with everything needed for easy setup and is backed by a 30-day money-back guarantee and a 2-year warranty. With no monthly fees or maintenance required, the Drive Reach provides a long-term solution for staying connected while on the road. Get back on the road in minutes with the Slime Flat Tire Repair Kit, a fast and easy solution for emergency tire repairs, getting you back on the road in just minutes. With no need for jacks or tools, this kit repairs and inflates your tire in about 10 minutes with a simple push of a button. Designed to plug into your car's 12-volt socket, it features a dial to monitor tire pressure and a pressure release valve for safety. The kit includes 15.84 ounce of non-toxic, non-corrosive, and environmentally friendly sealant, which is approved by leading car manufacturers and safe for tire pressure monitoring systems, or TPMS. The sealant works effectively for up to 100 miles or 3 days, giving you ample time to reach a repair shop. Compact and convenient, the kit comes with accessories for inflating sports balls, a storage bag, and easy-to-follow instructions. Ideal for quick fixes, it eliminates the hassle of using a spare tire or waiting for roadside assistance. Be prepared for any roadside emergency with the CRKT ExiTool, a compact 3-in-1 emergency tool designed for vehicle safety, featuring a seatbelt cutter, tungsten carbide glass breaker, and an LED light. It attaches easily to any standard seatbelt, ensuring it's always within reach during an emergency. The high-carbon stainless steel blade cuts through jammed seatbelts swiftly, while the glass breaker shatters side windows, allowing for a quick escape if doors are blocked. It's highly effective on tempered glass, making it ideal for emergencies on the road or in water. Equipped with a small, battery-powered LED light for low-visibility situations, the ExiTool is practical and reliable. Affordable and easy to install, it's a must-have safety device for every vehicle. If you're looking for the ultimate vehicle safety tool, the CRKT ExiTool is a must-have. With its compact design and life-saving features, it's perfect for any emergency situation on the road. But that's just one of the many innovative gadgets we're featuring. There's plenty more to come, so stay tuned for the next exciting reveal. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below with your thoughts or questions. Stay safe and visible in any roadside emergency with LED road flares, which are essential safety tools for any vehicle, offering a reliable way to signal for help and alert other drivers during emergencies. The LED road flares. Emergency lights provide an upgraded, rechargeable solution, featuring 9 flashing modes for different SOS signals and an extended battery life. Made from durable, waterproof materials, these flares are crush-proof and feature strong magnets for easy attachment to your vehicle. With a rechargeable 650 mAh lithium battery, you won't need to worry about replacing dead batteries during an emergency. They are perfect for roadside incidents and also useful for recreational activities like camping and hiking. Convenient and easy to use, these flares provide hands-free operation with a built-in flashlight and folding hook, making them versatile for different situations. Whether you're working under the hood or signaling for help, LED road flares offer a reliable, cost-effective solution that's ready whenever you need it. Enjoy music and hands-free calls on the go with the eco-friendly Baseus Solar Car FM transmitter, a convenient gadget for enjoying music and hands-free calls while driving. Powered by solar energy, it also has a Type-C port for wired charging on cloudy days. Its Bluetooth 5.0 technology ensures clear audio and smooth connectivity while supporting multiple inputs like TF cards, USB, and AUX. With a magnetic base, the transmitter easily attaches to your windshield for quick access. It syncs with your car's FM frequency for seamless music playback and features intelligent noise reduction for clear calls. The ROVE R2-4K dashcam captures ultra-clear 4K video with a 150-degree wide-angle lens, ensuring high-quality footage of your driving experience. Its Super Night Vision technology guarantees clear video even in low-light conditions, making it a reliable option for both day and night use. The built-in GPS tracks your speed and location, and with Wi-Fi connectivity, you can easily view and manage recordings on your smartphone. This dashcam supports multiple recording modes, including time-lapse, and automatically saves important footage using a G sensor in case of a collision. It offers continuous recording with up to 512 gigabytes of storage, ensuring all events are captured. The 2.4-inch screen and intuitive controls make navigation simple, though it lacks a touchscreen. With a supercapacitor for durability and reliable power, the ROVE R2-4K is a compact and dependable dash cam for capturing detailed video and keeping track of your journeys. It's a great choice for those wanting high-quality recordings and modern features at an affordable price. As mentioned from the beginning, you can now upgrade your driving experience with the Carlinkit 4.0, a convenient wireless adapter that allows seamless switching between Apple CarPlay and Android Auto without the need for cables. It offers dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, and a powerful dual-core chip for stable, lag-free connectivity. Simply plug it into your car's USB port and it will auto-connect, providing access to your phone's apps and music through your car's display. Designed to support 98% of vehicles with factory-installed CarPlay, the Carlinkit 4.0 is compatible with iPhones running iOS 10 Plus and Android phones with Android 9 Plus. It maintains original car controls, enabling voice commands and easy integration. The sleek, scratch-resistant carbon fiber design ensures durability and long-term use. This adapter is perfect for upgrading your car's infotainment system with wireless capabilities, delivering a reliable, smooth experience for both Android and Apple users. It's easy to install, user-friendly, and ideal for those looking to enhance their driving experience with wireless connectivity. Hey everyone, thanks for sticking around for this video. If you found this helpful or entertaining, subscribing to the channel is a fantastic way to stay in the loop. I'm constantly creating new content, and I'd love for you to be a part of the community. Don't miss our next video, where we dive into the ultimate gear for your water adventures, the IP68 certified phone pouch. This waterproof pouch keeps your phone safe from water, dust, and sand, no matter if you're swimming, kayaking, or just chilling by the pool. Plus, its floatable design makes sure your phone stays visible and secure on the surface. Stay tuned and make sure your phone is always protected, even on your wildest adventures.